Hi, hope you're having a lovely day. This is an unboxing video and it is latest in beauty. Not a very pretty box, but this is how it arrives through the post, and I know exactly what it is because it's got a massive sticker there. I've just ripped my address off, but when you open it up, it's a little bit more prettier. As you can see there, so it's a nice big bright pink box, little leaflet, and then wrapping. And inside you've got all my products and lots of like packaging and worms and things like that. So I'll just put that down to the side. So if you're new to my channel or you're new to Latest in Beauty and you'd like to hear a little bit about it, what it's all about, then carry on watching. But if you've seen it all before, I will add a timestamp down below, so you're free to click forward to get to seeing the actual products that I got in this month's box. So Latest in Beauty is a subscription box, but with a little bit of a difference. You actually choose the contents you want. So you get to choose whether you want 3 items, which will cost you £9 a month, or you can opt for 6 items, which will cost you £15 a month, or 9 items that will cost you £18 a month, and that includes free shipping as well. So say for instance you think, oh, a particular month is looking great and you fancy getting 9 items, but then the following month is not so great, you're not stuck. You don't have to stay with the 9 items and pay £18. You are free to shift it down to 6 or 3 products depending on what you see on the website, which I'll explain a little bit about because they do bring out a weekly edit. So there is that option to go from having 9 items to 3 or 6, whatever you want. So when I started this subscription about 2 months ago, there was a massive deal on 50% off everything. I went for the 9 item and I got it for £9, which was good. I'm really happy with the items. So then the following month didn't look so great, so then I dropped it down to 3, and then I did the same this month as well. Now, as I said, they bring out a monthly edit, so weekly you get emails telling you what is exactly coming on to their website, and once a week, I believe on the weekend, I might be wrong because I am sort of new to this, but I'll find out. If I am wrong, I'll let you know down below. But I think they bring out like a weekly edit showing you the items that are going to be posting up on their website. So they release, say, 1 product on a Monday, 1 product on a Tuesday, but the products remain there. They stay there for a good while. So once they come up on a day, they don't just disappear the following day. They are there. So when you see that, like the weekly edit, you're able to pinpoint exactly what is going to be coming for the following week, and whether you want to get other things that are already on the website or there's some new things you want to pick up, you get to choose then and to actually, you know, think whether you want 3 items, 6 items or 9 items. So you've got that choice, which I really like. As long as you choose the quantity of the products you want before your payment goes out, you're sorted, you're fine. So I was looking to see, right, what do I want? What is coming up in the next week? And there's a few things, so I did wait until the last minute. I have got items I really want, but you will see that when I show you, there's a little bit of disappointment there. But yeah, I'll just show you the products and then we'll talk about it. So you always get, I'm assuming you get a freebie, because every time I had this box I have had a free item in it, and I've got one this month, and this is a little perfume. So what's this? This is Alaya Paris, and it's a 0.8ml perfume. I never know at first when I spray a perfume if I like it or not, but particular with my smells. It's okay. It's not one I would buy. I've never heard of this before. It is not one I would buy, but it's alright. I mean, if someone walked past me, I wouldn't go, "Pore, they stink." It's not that bad, but yeah, I wouldn't buy it, but never mind. It's nice to try things. It's nice. In this box, you just get your items. You don't get a leaflet explaining about your items, how much they are, whether they're full size, whether they're sample size. You can find that information out on the website when you choose your products. But so I do know what the sizes I'm getting, but they don't explain anything about the products, so you have to go online and search the actual products themselves to tell you a little bit of background information. So the first item is my most exciting item, and this is an Elemis cleansing balm. I love Elemis, absolutely adore Elemis. Never tried this before, not that I can think of. I've tried loads of cleansing balms and subscription boxes, but no, so this is quite a nice size actually. This is a 20 gram and it's a Pro Collagen Cleansing Balm. Oh, smell. Oh, it's lovely, really nice. Now I would have thought, because it's staining a little bit in the top there, I would have thought that that would have, you know, one of those like plastic sort of things. Oh my gosh, I can't think. What is it? Like a plastic cover, and then it's got a little tab that you pull it off just to protect it from the lid. It hasn't got that. It's just, that's how it's arrived. No seal, nothing. So I don't know. It doesn't say not for resale, but no. It doesn't look like it's been used by no means, but I just thought just then that it's a little bit weird, but it's like my skin. I do love Elemis. Love, love, love. Favourite product of theirs is the Moisture Surge 72-hour moisturiser. Oh, I have yet to have one that beats that. I absolutely love it. I know it's a cleanser, but I'm just rubbing it into my hand because I want to know what it feels like. So that's the first item. So I know for sizes like these, they're classed as mini sizes, so they can be bought. I'm sure you could probably pick one of these up in ASOS. I know you can with certain Clinique products, they come in mini size on the ASOS website for about £10, £8 to £10, so maybe you might be able to pick that up there. But I will have a search, and if I do find it, I will link it down below. So click on the show more, that will bring up the description, and everything will be down there, including all the links to Latest in Beauty, and I'll find a discount code as well, see if there's one flying around the internet, because I don't know of one personally. But anyway, the next item is an Origins. I am not talking properly today, am I? It's an Origins. I'm doing it again. Origins. It's not hard. Origins. It's a serum. Now I had the Origins moisturiser in this month's ASOS beauty box, and I absolutely love it. It is super thick and rich, so it's sort of like a nighttime cream for me, but oh, it is just amazing. The smell and everything, it just absorbs well, it feels gorgeous. So I saw that and I thought, I do quite like serums, trying different serums, so I thought I'd give it a go. So it's an anti-aging power serum, and this is a 15ml little tube there, and what I've noticed on the back, it says not for sale. Let's show you the last product before I give you my opinion. With serums, you only need like a tiny dab and just to blend it all over your skin. They generally glide on through your skin really easily, so you don't need tons. So this will last me quite a while. So no, it smells gorgeous, just nice and natural, but no, really happy to try that. So then the last item I chose, where is it? Oh, sorry, it's upside down. It's a Dr. Brandt Luminizer Primer. Pores No More. So that's what that looks there. I've tried the Dr. Brandt Pore No More Primer before. I bought one in TK Maxx ages ago for like £10. They were around about £60 odd, I think. This was a long while ago, and I loved it. The only problem is that it was dark. It was a really dark shade, and it just looked stupid having a brown nose because I couldn't blend it out or anything. So it was such an amazing product though. It was really good. So when I saw this on the Latest in Beauty, I thought, oh, I'm gonna have to get it because I know that the other product I had was lovely. So this is an Luminizer Primer. So all skin types. And what's it say? Apply on clean, moisturised skin. Use alone for a natural bounce of light on the skin or under makeup to prep your skin for a flawless application AM to PM. And what's it say here? Not for resale, so it's another sample. It says, gives a natural looking backlight glow, revives dull complexions, helps refine the look of pores. And this is a 7.5ml. So let's try it. So 2 samples in my box. Okay, let's try it over here. Oh, this is nice. There's a slight tint to it. See there before I blend it in. It's a slight tint to it. But, oh, I can't wait to use this. I'm really excited. Again, with really super expensive products, if you fall in love with them, and then you find out that they're like 60, 70 quid, and it's like, oh. I don't know why I'm smelling. I smell everything, but it feels nice. It's going into my skin lovely, and yeah, I can't wait to put that on my face. Pores No More. So, my thoughts. 3 items there. You know, they're 3 high-end branded products. There's no denying that. We've got Origins, Elemis, and we've got Dr. Brandt. For £9, including postage and packaging. So they're all items I'm going to be excited to try, so I am happy I've got them. Oh, I forgot, there's the freebie perfume as well. But the problem I'm having is that I paid £9 for this. Now £9, okay, it's not break the bank expensive compared to some other subscription boxes out there, but I get a box by Feel Unique and it's a pick and mix sample service. Now I can choose up to 5 samples on their website for £3.95, and that includes postage and packaging. You get to choose what samples you want. There's pages and pages. I have got a Feel Unique unboxing coming up shortly, so if you've never seen it, look out for that, which I'll go into more detail. But basically you can have 5 samples for £4. Plus you get that £3.95 credited back onto your account to use against any future purchases. Yeah, so when I'm thinking I've got these for £9, okay, I think this would have cost me £10. So when I'm thinking it like that, okay, yeah, I have got a bit of a bargain. These 2 are little extras and I've paid. But would I go out and buy this anyway? At the moment, no, because I'm using a Sunday Riley cleanser and I've got other cleansers as well that I'm using, or that I will be using afterwards. So I wouldn't necessarily go out right now to buy this cleanser, this cleansing balm, I should say, for £10. If I'm right in thinking you can get that in ASOS for like £8 to £10, but it just doesn't sit well with me. I'm paying for a mini and 2 samples that say not for resale, so I don't know, I'm a little bit disheartened by this subscription. I'm going to carry on for 1 month and then I'm going to make it my decision. But yeah, let me know your thoughts. What do you think of latest in beauty? And did you manage to pick up some great bargains and some great items this month? I'd love to know. So I hope you enjoyed watching, and if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel for lots more videos to come and leave me a big thumbs up. So thanks for watching and I'll speak to you soon. Take care. Bye bye.